Hey guys, Caleb here from I'll Build Anything, and today I'm going to show you how to put fog lights on my VW Jetta car. I got two Cree LED fog lights. They're supposed to be about 4,000 lumens combined, or each. It doesn't really specify that, but they're bright and they'll help a lot with fog driving to work every morning. So this kit that I got came with two fog lights, the wiring harness that wires into the battery, has a fuse on there, also has the power switch. Also came with the nuts and bolts that you have to use to put it on, and it came with the brackets that you have to use to mount it on the car. So I'm going to have to take the battery cover off, take the bolts off of the battery to connect the wiring harness, and then run it inside somehow. Just push it in. So I'm going to take my relay, and I have this thing in the back. I'm going to slip it in like that, take the nut, and stick it on like that. And it's a little bit cold on January in Kansas. Okay, now I'm going to take these, plug them into their colors that they're supposed to go to. I'm using a 10mm socket wrench to loosen that, put the rings on. Pretty tight, as it's supposed to be. I'm going to make sure I take the fuse out of this before I stick it on there. Okay, so I pulled the 30 amp fuse out. So as you can see there, I had to stick this underneath the washer so it will actually stay on there. Then I have a screwdriver holding that little clip up, making sure not to touch it to any metal. And I stick the nut back on like that. That on top of that. So this is where the fog lights are going on both sides. And in order to take these out, they're not bolted in or anything. You just pull down on that side, pull down on that side. In order to put these lights on, I have to remove the bumper. To do that, there's a screw right there, screw right there. There's four screws along here that need to be removed. One here, three across there, one behind that, one behind that. And you also have to remove the grill first. So after removing the bumper, you're left with this. And I figured out where I'm going to run the wire. Down through that hole right there, and across the front to where it goes over there, into right there. And here's Benjamin to help out this morning. I'm going to take this there till it comes out there. So here is the finished product. I was intending on recording the entire process of doing it, but my phone decided to run out of storage. And here is the beam that it casts on the wall right there. So it should be very nice for driving in fog, which I will get a video of. So on the inside of my car, there is the switch that I put in. Turn on like that, turn off like that. You can see on and off. To run the wires for this switch, I had to lay on the floor, move this panel and that panel and that panel ran up into the engine compartment. Right here, as you can see, the battery cover will not fit back on because this is in the way. At some point I'll just extend both of these wires so the wire can just go out there as it's supposed to. I just ran the wire right back here and down to a hole in the firewall right there that went all the way through. It was plugged with a rubber piece, but ran it through there and mounted it on the plastic. So I hope you liked that video on how to install fog lights. So look forward to more videos from I'll Build Anything.